Turtle. What'd you say? Turtle. That's right, turtle. Yes. Is he singing to you? Bye-bye, turtle. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. You know how to make the turtle sing again? You what? Yeah, do you want him to sing again? Watch. Yeah, push the red button. Turn it over. Push the red button. Good job! You're so smart. I've never showed him how to do that. I was just talking to him and he just did that. Good job, Brody. You're so smart. Are you gonna dance? Can you dance for Mama? Come on, let's dance. Come on, let's dance. Brody. Brody. Dance. You dance? Yay! Dance. Good job, buddy.